Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is the all-new Continental GT, a luxury car like no other. A Grand Tourer that epitomizes our commitment to drive luxury performance now and in the future. It is a crowning achievement for Bentley in Crewe, England. And I'm delighted to now introduce Rolf Rech, our member in the board responsible for R&D. Rolf, welcome to the stage. Thank you very much for bringing this car and tell us more about it.
Yeah, thank you, Wolfgang. Ladies and gentlemen, the new third generation Continental GT is a true Bentley. It is the pinnacle of our design and engineering achievements. And as you can see, our design team have taken the outstanding design to a new level. This extraordinary form is true to Bentley's design philosophy, while at the same time showcasing an exceptional modern vision. To achieve these sculpted surfaces of the body and the precise lines on the side panel, we work with superforming aluminum technology, which is also used in the aerospace industry. The interior design of the Continental GT is tailored to the modern luxury customer. The cabin integrates cutting-edge technology with the finest handcrafted natural materials. There is an advanced driver-focused, fully digital instrument panel and a truly unique highlight, the Bentley rotating display. This is our interpretation of modern and innovative technology combined with elements that still provide their character and exquisite detail you would expect from Bentley. The 12.3-inch touchscreen is housed in a three-sided unit which starts as a beautiful piece of veneer and then revolves to either a digital screen or three elegant analog dials. The level of personalization is endless. Every single Continental GT will be created by our skilled craftsmen and women to meet the individual tastes and preferences of each customer. On the road, the new Continental GT is sharper, lighter, faster, even more refined and full of technology to deliver a luxurious Grand Touring experience. At its heart is an all-new version of our crew-built Bentley 6-liter twin-turbo W12 engine, combined with a dual-clutch 8-speed transmission for faster and more refined gear changes. Our new GT produces 635 PS and 900 Newton-meter of torque, accelerates to 100 km per hour in 3.7 seconds, and has a top speed of 333 kilometers per hour. At 12.2 liters per 100 kilometers and 270 grams per kilometer CO2, this is also the most efficient W12 engine in the world. In the years to come, there will be additional powertrains available, including plug-in hybrids. With the all-new Continental GT, we have redefined the driving experience of a Grand Tourer. In using an advanced version of the intelligent 48-volt dynamic ride system, first seen in the Bentley Bentayga, in combination with an all-new air spring damper system supported by 3 air chambers, the Continental GT delivers a dynamic, agile and responsive ride without compromising comfort and refinement. All of the driver stability systems, together with the new active all-wheel drive system, increase driving enjoyment for our customers. They can choose the driving character they prefer by turning the driving mode selector. This big range, with dynamic and precise driving on one side and a comfortable and enjoyable ride on the other, makes the Continental GT so extraordinary and outstanding. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Continental GT shows our desire to innovate and to take the Bentley ownership experience to the next level and to deliver the world's best Grand Tourer. Now back to you, Wolfgang.
Thank you very much, Rolf. Very well presented. Ladies and gentlemen, nearly 100 years ago, W.O. Bentley started this remarkable company, and we believe that the all-new Continental GT is a car that he would be proud of, truly following his philosophy of building a fast car, a good car, the best in its class. It embodies all we know about building the world's finest cars. Our core values of luxury, performance, and attention to detail can be seen in everything we do. We will never give up to search for the extraordinary, and this what makes Bentley unique. We achieve this using our engineering expertise, state-of-the-art technology, and very emotional design. Over the next few years, we will continue to launch new models that reflect this vision and will continue to build an even brighter future for Bentley Motors. This leaves me to say that I'm very proud of my team who have been working tirelessly on the new Continental GT and have delivered what I believe to be the finest Grand Tourer of all time. Thank you all for your attention, and I now invite you to our stand to take a closer look at the details of this game-changing car. Thank you very much.
Some fantastic detailing on the all-new Continental. If you look at the headlights, for example, they're inspired by cut crystal. It's a very, very precise execution, and with the welcome function, it's a truly unique piece of luxury theatre. The rear of the car, we've taken a very iconic ellipse shape, and we've purified that message. So 2 single ellipses at either side of the car at the rear, and they're surrounded by a full-width horseshoe. This gives the car a very wide athletic stance, and it couldn't be any other car except a Continental. For the new Continental GT, we developed an all-new surface philosophy. We call it fuselage, and for us, that means richness and sculpture in the surfaces. Our surface philosophy can be seen over the front fender, where the sheet metal is draped like cloth over extremely sharp lines. The headlights themselves are surrounded by sheet metal. It's a completely seamless design, and we're able to do that because of the technology we use. It's called superforming, and we take it from the aerospace industry. And this allowed the designers to have a lot more freedom. It meant that we could get much deeper sections, more sculptural sections, concave and convex surfaces with extremely sharp lines.